Hi everyone, I'm always looking for ways to feel my best. So I decided to try a superfood challenge for a week. Superfoods are packed with nutrients. I wanted to see how they would impact my health. For 7 days, I added a variety of superfoods to my diet. I was excited to see the changes. Would I have more energy? Would my digestion improve? Let's find out. Welcome to the Academy of Vitality and Health. Here we focus on helping you live healthier, teach you about your health and body, feel amazing, and improve your lifestyle. Join us on the journey to vitality and well-being. Let's discover a healthier, happier life together. What are superfoods, you ask? They're like the superheroes of the food world. Superfoods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They can boost your health in amazing ways. Think of them as natural energy boosters, immunity protectors, and disease fighters. From colorful berries to leafy greens, superfoods offer a rainbow of health benefits. For my challenge, I chose a variety of superfoods to incorporate into my meals and snacks. Each one was chosen for its unique health benefits. Berries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries for antioxidants. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and romaine lettuce for vitamins and minerals. Nuts and seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, and almonds for healthy fats. Green tea, a natural energy booster and rich in antioxidants. I was ready to fuel my body with these nutritional powerhouses. The first few days were an adjustment. I was adding more fiber to my diet than usual. This led to some initial bloating and gas. However, I made sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. This helped to ease the digestive discomfort. I also listened to my body and didn't force myself to eat if I wasn't hungry. Midweek marvels. Hello, energy. By midweek, I started to notice some positive changes. I had more energy throughout the day. I wasn't reaching for that afternoon cup of coffee as often. The superfoods were working their magic. The antioxidants in berries and green tea were fighting off free radicals. This helped to reduce fatigue and improve my overall energy levels. Digestion delight. Feeling good inside and out. Another welcome change was improved digestion. The fiber from the leafy greens, berries, and chia seeds was doing wonders for my gut health. I felt lighter and less bloated. Regular bowel movements became a pleasant side effect of my superfood-rich diet. Week's end. A super transformation? At the end of the week, I felt fantastic. My energy levels were soaring, my digestion was happy, and I felt an overall sense of well-being. While 1 week is a short time to see drastic changes, I could definitely feel the positive impact of incorporating superfoods into my diet. Superfoods. Worth the hype? So, are superfoods worth the hype? Absolutely. They are packed with nutrients that can boost your health and well-being. While they shouldn't be seen as a magic bullet, superfoods are a delicious and convenient way to improve your diet. Your superfood journey. Tips and tricks. Ready to embark on your own superfood journey? Here are some tips to get you started. Start slowly. Don't try to overhaul your diet overnight. Gradually incorporate 1 or 2 superfoods at a time. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body reacts to different superfoods. Make it fun. Experiment with different recipes and ways to enjoy superfoods. Embrace the power of superfoods. Remember, incorporating superfoods into your diet is a journey, not a race. Embrace the process, experiment, and enjoy the incredible health benefits these nutritional powerhouses have to offer. Stay healthy, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and fitness advice. Share this video with friends and start your healthy lifestyle journey today.